Hello and welcome back to my channel Breathing Gratitude in association with 360 Degrees Solutions. This is Dr. Arthur Gomes, Master Practitioner, Life Coach and Mentor. This morning again, I bring you one more money attraction technique, and this is with lime and water. Now, manifestation techniques can be done with so many elements around you, and water is one such element. Lime is one such element. In my earlier video, you saw the manifestation technique with lime and salt. Now I bring to you with lime and water. It's a very simple process. Let's go into the process straight away. Okay. Excuse me. All you need is a glass of water with the lime immersed in it. I'll show you how. You see this? Simple. A glass of water and a lime immersed in it. Now what I do is I keep it right in front of the place where I sit on my table. It is bang opposite me. You need to keep this for at least 2 to 3 days in the east direction or the northeast direction of your house. So I've placed my table in such a way that I'm facing the east direction. I keep it right in front of me. Now, once you do this, you keep it there for about 2-3 days, and you will see a lot of positive energy changes in your home and money finding its way to you. All the obstacles, the evil eyes, the negativities that were there around you has all gone away. All those blocks that were stopping your progress has now opened the path for you to go full throttle. Now once you do this as part of your ritual, continue to take inspired actions that you're in. Do what you do best. Give your best effort. Put your best foot forward and ensure what you are doing is directly related with the ritual that you've done right now. And while doing this, don't think too much and bother about the 5 W's and 2 H. Who, where, when, what, why, how and how much. Who will give me the money? Where will the money come from? When will it come? Why so late? Which place will it come? How much will come? How will it come to me? Stop asking these questions. While doing this remedy, do it with absolute faith, feelings and focus, the 3F methodology. I keep telling you this because a lot of us falter on this. You don't have faith, nothing will work for you. It all begins with faith and belief within you. Even if you've got to do the smallest of tasks in your life, you need to have faith in your abilities, isn't it? Now, once you do this, let go. Let the universe take it on from here because his timing is perfect. He knows what's good for you, and he will bring more and more of that to you. As I talk to you, we also parallelly running a 3-in-1 CLAP Master Practitioner program for Law of Attraction, NLP and Mindfulness spread across 12 modules. Now this program, if you go to do it outside, is very expensive. We've brought it to you, all 3 programs at the price of 1. You can call the number down to speak to me and get more information about the 3-in-1 CLAP Master Practitioner program, where all the techniques that you require, all the techniques that you wanted is now at your fingertips to have a wonderful life ahead. This is not a seasonal program. You are going to use this for the rest of your life. Like how our 92 members have registered and have got certified from India and globally. And while I'm talking to you, there are about 6 to 8 members who are going through their assessment for their 100-mark assessment paper. 85 is passing. And once that comes through, they will be certified, trained master practitioner for the Law of Attraction, NLP and Mindfulness. Now, isn't that wonderful? So don't waste time. Hurry up. call the number below and book your seat now, because the discounted rates keep fluctuating and you might just be the lucky one to get that wonderful rate at your disposal. You can find my videos on LinkedIn, Facebook pages, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Do like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more such videos coming to you, so that knowledge will upgrade and upskill you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, wear your mask, sanitization is your top priority, and you guys have a wonderful day ahead. Take care. Tata. Bye-bye.